Hello, welcome to our virtual back to school night. My name is Carrie Delala. I'm teaching your son or daughter geometry honors this year. I've been teaching mathematics at Northern Valley for 20 years. The first 3 years I was in Old Tappan, and I've been here in Demarest ever since. This year I'm teaching geometry honors and also fundamentals of Algebra 1 and calculus. Geometry is a foundational course. It's a great course for students as it's a change from algebra. The topics in geometry are abstract and require a different level of reasoning. The students really develop that over the course of the year. They have an introduction to proofs, and it really helps them in terms of future math courses. Our topics of study are listed here. We're currently in the geometry basics, learning about vocab, and we move quickly into reasoning. And throughout our units, we integrate geometric proof, and they get to learn a lot about all different topics from geometry. We end the year with a unit on probability. The students are expected to check email and Haiku regularly. All assignments are posted on Haiku in a daily block. Whatever unit we're currently in, they can click on, and they will always see the work with links to any kind of documents or resources that they may need. And I also communicate updates through email, so it's important for them to be able to check their email also. Our grading this year, we're grading based on categories. 85% of their grade will be on assessments. The other 15 will be based on practice. Our assessments are going to be a mix of online assessments using our learning platform Haiku, and also traditional paper assessments and practice. We have a whole host of websites that we use for practice, which I'll talk about in a second. Please log into Genesis to keep up with your child's grade in the class. The link for that is included on this slide. The tools that we're using most often are Zoom to connect with the virtual students, with those in class. As you've seen them, I'm sure, in your home, connecting to Zoom. We also use Big Ideas for our virtual textbook and the TI-84 graphing calculator. As far as the resources that we use to facilitate the hybrid learning, we have Desmos, Edpuzzle, Khan Academy, our Haiku, PowerSchool Learning, Delta Math, and quizzes. And each day we have office hours from 1:45 to 3, except for E-days and the asynchronous learning days. Students know they can always find the Zoom link to office hours on the welcome page on Haiku. I hope the virtual back to school night was informative for my class. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at delala@nvnet.org. Thank you and have a great night.